One way to find the library website is by starting at the SanJac College homepage at www.sanjac.edu. Click on the Quick Links menu at the top of the page. After that, click on the Libraries link. You will then be at the library website for SanJac College. Students can also find library resources through their Blackboard landing page. On the landing page, click on the library link in the top right corner. A page of library resources will appear, including a link to the home page. To find a list of all databases, click on the Complete List of Databases link and then click on All Databases. For any questions that you might have, a SanJac librarian will be happy to help.